Responsive web design, RWD, is an approach to website creation that makes web pages render well on a variety of devices and screen sizes. In this lesson, we explore key concepts such as fluid grids, flexible images, and media queries. We'll define essential terms and introduce the idea that a single design must adapt seamlessly to smartphones, tablets, and desktops. This concept not only enhances user experience, but also plays a critical role in digital marketing and overall website performance. Imagine a time when websites were fixed and static, a challenge as devices multiplied. Our journey begins with the historical evolution of web design, leading to the birth of responsive techniques. This narrative sets the stage for understanding why adaptive design is no longer optional, but a necessity for modern digital marketing strategies and website design fundamentals. In this segment, we define core terms: fluid grids, media queries, flexible images, and breakpoints. Fluid grids use percentage-based widths to adapt to different screens, while media queries allow targeted CSS rules based on device characteristics. We also discuss breakpoints, which are the thresholds where the layout changes. By clearly explaining these concepts, learners gain a foundational understanding of how websites dynamically adjust, ensuring a consistent user experience across all devices. Here we incorporate charts and diagrams that illustrate how breakpoints and fluid grids work. A sample diagram displays common screen widths and how content reflows, helping to visualize the responsive workflow. These visuals support the theoretical concepts discussed earlier and provide a clear reference for learners. By integrating graphics into our narrative, we aim to enhance comprehension, making abstract ideas tangible for those new to responsive web design. This scene presents a real-life case study of a company that transformed its website using responsive design techniques. Through before and after screenshots, we explore how the redesign improved navigation, engagement, and mobile performance. The case study demonstrates the challenges faced and the creative solutions implemented. By examining tangible outcomes, learners can see the direct impact of responsive design on user experience and digital marketing success, emphasizing the practical relevance of these concepts. Fluid grids are the backbone of responsive design, and in this scene, we dive into how they function. Using clear diagrams, we break down the mathematics behind percentage-based layouts. These visuals explain how columns and rows adapt as the screen size changes, ensuring that all elements remain proportional. The scene reinforces the definition by merging theoretical explanation with practical illustrations, allowing learners to grasp the importance of flexible layout structures in designing modern websites. We now showcase examples of well-known websites that employ responsive design effectively. By presenting current website screenshots, learners see firsthand how adaptable layouts work in practice. References to these live sites offer inspiration and a benchmark for quality design. The scene includes brief notes on design choices and how these contribute to a seamless user experience, illustrating the direct application of responsive design principles in the real world. This scene presents data sets on user behavior, highlighting the shift from desktop to mobile usage. Graphs and charts display current statistics, such as mobile traffic percentages and engagement rates across devices. By analyzing this data, learners understand the market demands driving responsive design. This evidence-based approach reinforces why websites must adapt, as digital marketing success increasingly depends on meeting users wherever they are, on any device. Introducing an online SaaS tool, such as BrowserStack, we explain how it assists in testing responsive designs across multiple devices. A live screenshot of the tool's interface, along with the URL, e.g. browserstack.com, demonstrates its functionality. This scene shows learners how to verify design performance and troubleshoot layout issues. By highlighting a practical resource, we encourage hands-on experimentation and reinforce the importance of using professional tools in web design testing. In this segment, we refer to the documentation for a popular responsive design framework like Bootstrap. Learners are guided to a documentation URL, e.g. getbootstrap.com/docs, and shown a screenshot of the installation page. This detailed walkthrough explains how to integrate the framework into a project, highlighting key setup instructions and usage tips. Clear references to official documentation empower learners to confidently explore advanced features and troubleshooting techniques. Here we share a storytelling narrative about a web designer who transformed a challenging project into a responsive masterpiece. The story details initial setbacks, creative breakthroughs, and the ultimate success of delivering a seamless user experience. This personal journey illustrates the emotional and professional rewards of mastering responsive design. By highlighting real-life experiences, the scene motivates learners to persist through difficulties and embrace innovative solutions in their own projects. To deepen learning, we present a curated list of tutorials and articles. Recommended resources include video tutorials, step-by-step guides, and interactive courses from reputable platforms, e.g. Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, MDN WebDocs, and W3 Schools. Each URL is briefly described, emphasizing the specific aspect of responsive design it covers. These additional learning materials offer learners diverse perspectives and practical exercises to further build their skill set. In this scene, we explore advanced layout modules like Flexbox and CSS Grid, which provide even greater control over responsive designs. Detailed diagrams illustrate how these techniques can create complex layouts that adjust seamlessly to various screen sizes. The explanation highlights key properties, common pitfalls, and best practices. By integrating these advanced topics, learners gain the tools to create modern, adaptable designs that go beyond basic fluid grids, thus expanding their digital marketing and website design capabilities. As we near the end of the lesson, let's recap the core concepts: fluid grids, media queries, breakpoints, flexible images, and the innovative use of tools and frameworks. We've examined real-life case studies, data sets, and advanced techniques like Flexbox and CSS Grid. This summary reinforces how each element contributes to creating a responsive, user-friendly website. The lesson provided a blend of theoretical definitions, visual diagrams, and practical resources, ensuring that learners are equipped with the knowledge to implement responsive design effectively. A well-executed responsive site enhances user satisfaction, boosts search rankings, and drives higher engagement, key factors in successful digital marketing. Real-life examples illustrate how businesses have increased conversions and improved brand reputation through adaptive design. This final reflection not only summarizes the learning journey, but also inspires action. Embracing responsive design means staying ahead in a digital world where flexibility and accessibility are paramount.